Every product company is hiring AI engineers right now. Almost nobody can tell you precisely what one does. In 4 minutes, you will know the job, the boundary against ML, and the four kinds of AI engineer that have already emerged. An AI engineer builds products powered by AI models. The key word is products. You consume model APIs. You orchestrate behavior. You do not train models from scratch. Think of the mechanic and the driver. ML engineers build the engine. AI engineers drive it. They know its capabilities and its limits intimately, but the job is to operate it well, not redesign the pistons. The day-to-day looks like software engineering with new primitives. You write production code, you design APIs, you manage databases. You also write prompts, build retrieval pipelines, run evals, and watch token costs. The most valuable skill is knowing what the model can do, then architecting a system around it that behaves reliably in front of real users. An AI engineer owns everything between model exists and user gets value. That ownership stack has 6 layers: prompts, written, versioned, A/B tested against quality metrics, retrieval, chunking documents, embedding them, storing in vector databases, pulling the right context at query time, tools, designing schemas the model can invoke, then handling its decisions safely, evals, defining what good output means, running automated tests on every prompt or model change, cost and latency, picking the right model tier per task, caching deterministic responses, tracking tokens per request, safety, input filters, output filters, prompt injection defense, PII handling. Notion AI launched in 2023 with a dedicated AI engineering team handling rate limits across 20 languages. Lineal built an evolve-first culture where every prompt change is measured before it ships. This is the work. The boundary is the model API. ML work happens inside it. AI engineering happens outside it. ML engineers collect and clean data. They design architectures. They run training jobs on GPU clusters. They tune hyperparameters. They quantize and distill. They publish a model artifact. AI engineers take that artifact and build a product. They write the prompt. They choose the retrieval strategy. They design the tools. They monitor the production quality. The skill sets barely overlap. ML needs deep learning, distributed systems, statistics. AI engineering needs strong software engineering, product sense, and a fluent understanding of how models behave at the edge. Both jobs are valuable. Most companies need 10 AI engineers for every ML engineer, the same ratio as web developers to browser engineers. 4 flavors have already emerged. Product AI engineers build user-facing features, Cursor, Perplexity, Notion AI. They optimize for prompt design, latency, and quality on the surface. Platform AI engineers build the internal tooling, eval harnesses, prompt registries, observability. They make the product engineers fast. Infra AI engineers run inference at scale, VLLM clusters, batching, multi-provider routing, cost dashboards. They keep the bills sane. Agentic AI engineers build the autonomous side, tool calling, planning loops, multi-agent systems, long horizon tasks. Most engineers start in product, then specialize. The titles are converging slowly. The work is already specialized. That is what an AI engineer does. Build products on top of models, own everything outside the API, pick one of 4 lanes. Next episode, the 4 words every AI engineer uses every single day. Subscribe.